y'all? It's your girl Aud here with another video. So this is gonna be the start of my giveaway. So I'm so excited. I told you guys in a previous video that I would be doing this giveaway, and here it is. So in order to enter this giveaway, this is what you guys have to do. First of all, obviously you gotta be subscribed to my channel. That's one. I'm gonna link my Instagram right here below right now. You'll go to my Instagram, make sure you're following me on Instagram. You'll comment on the picture that has to do with this giveaway. Under that picture, you will comment and tag 2 friends. So you can enter as many times as you like. Every time you enter though, you have to tag 2 different friends. It can't be the same friends in multiple comments. Alright, and if your friends would like to comment, you just let them know they have to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and also tag 2 other friends in the comments. So I will stick a little video in here to show you guys again what exactly it is that I'll be giving away. And good luck to you guys. Like, I'm so happy to be able to do this for you guys and give you something to show my appreciation, because I really do appreciate you. I'm loving all the subscribers, all the comments and whatnot that I've been getting. It's so exciting. Like, I'm starting to get recognized and whatnot lately, so it's really exciting, and I thank you guys so much. So let's get into this giveaway, and good luck to you. There will be another giveaway. I'll try to do this as often as my pockets will allow. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.